Hi, I'm Steve Graff. I'm the Vice President of Mountain Operations at Deer Valley Resort, and our teams are really busy right now getting the chairlifts, venues, and trails ready for our summer operation. New this season, we have a new way to access the bike park. We're introducing a pedal pass. The pedal pass gives riders the ability to access the bike park trails without utilizing the chairlifts. You can get a pedal pass either for a day or a whole season. And when you pick up your pedal pass, they'll give you recommended routes for accessing the bike park and safety tips on bike setup and riding style, including pre-ride, re-ride, free ride. We love that you love our trails. The pedal pass helps support the construction and maintenance of iconic trails like Tidal Wave, Tsunami, Undertow, and Regulator. The pedal pass is only for our lift-served downhill mountain bike trails. As part of our expansion, we're adding over 50 miles of multi-use, multi-directional cross-country trails. Deer Valley's inventory will be over 125 miles of multi-use, multi-directional trails, and those will continue to be free and open to the public without a pedal pass. Thank you for supporting Deer Valley's mountain bike trail system. Look forward to seeing you out on the mountain this summer.